Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make paneer biscuit starters. These are absolutely delicious and very easy to make. So without any further delay, let's begin with our process. So for this recipe guys, I've taken one packet of Crack Jack biscuits. These come for 10 rupees a packet and these are sweet and salty crackers. So if you can't find Crack Jack, go for any sweet and salty crackers. And now here I've taken 150 grams of paneer, which is cottage cheese, and I've grated it. And to the paneer, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cheese because everyone in my house likes cheese in this recipe. That's why I'm adding it. Otherwise, it's totally optional. You can always replace it by adding a little bit more paneer. And now let's add 1/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves, which is dhania leaves. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. Followed by 1 tablespoon of capsicum, 1 tablespoon of boiled corn, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, and 1/8 cup of Szechuan sauce. The Szechuan sauce or the chutney has a lot of flavor in it, so we don't need to add any more masalas. And now let's add a little salt as per taste. Be careful with the amount of salt as the Szechuan sauce as well as the cheese has a lot of salt content in it. And now let's mix everything in. So first I'm going to use the spoon to mix everything in, and then I'm going to use my bare clean hands to actually press everything down. And once everything is nicely mixed in and pressed into a dough, then we are going to take the Crack Jack biscuits and we are going to land a big amount of this stuffing on top of it. And then we are going to make sure that it is nice and square in shape, and then land the second piece of the Crack Jack biscuit on top of it. And the similar way we are going to prepare the rest of the biscuits. So guys, with this amount of stuffing, you will be able to prepare almost 10 such biscuits. And now it's time for us to prepare some slurry. So here I've taken half cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida, and I'm just added a little bit of water to it. And now we are going to mix everything together till the time we get to this consistency. So it's nice and pouring consistency, and that is exactly what we need. If yours is a little thick, then do add a little bit more water. And now that our slurry is ready, let's put everything together. So we have our stuffed biscuits ready, we have our slurry which is ready, and here I've taken some bread crumbs. So now let's take the stuffed biscuit and dip it inside the slurry and make sure that it coats well. And then we are going to put it on top of the breadcrumbs and coat it properly from all sides. And then we are again going to put it in the slurry and then repeat the same process with the breadcrumbs. And once it is nicely coated with the breadcrumbs, then let's place this coated biscuit on top of a plate, and we are going to repeat the same process with the rest of the biscuits. And now that our biscuits are nicely coated with the slurry as well as the breadcrumbs, it's time for us to keep them in the freezer for the next 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I've already kept some oil for heating, and once it's nice and hot, let's drop the biscuit one at a time or two at a time, and we are going to fry them for about a minute or until they turn nice and golden brown in color. Now guys, the reason I kept these biscuits in the freezer is so that they become nice and compact. If you don't keep it in the freezer, then the breadcrumbs might just start oozing out and might just fall off while you are frying. So now that the biscuits are nice and golden brown in color, let's remove them in a plate covered with a paper towel so that it sucks that excess oil, and repeat the same process with the rest of the biscuits. And see guys, they are looking absolutely delicious, aren't they? I absolutely can tell you that these are a treat for anybody. Do make it. Do let me know what you think about this recipe. And do share this recipe with your friends and family. And guys, this is one way that I have decorated it before serving with a little bit of tomato ketchup. some capsicum and a little bit of dhania, so you can also do the same. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.